Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is July 11th, 2025, and it's around 8ish in the morning. So good morning. I just wanted to do a quick little tour of my mini food forest because with all this rain and I have been busy, so I haven't been able to do much in it, and it has just gone crazy. But real quick, over there, I have my first dragon fruit flowers. Yes, they're beautiful. I'm putting up a short with them. But we want to go over there. And also, this is my first time growing Puerto Rican black beans. If you are new, I am here in Central Florida, and to be even more exact, I am in Plant City, Florida. Just so you know, my zone is 9B, I believe, or 9A, I don't remember. So my first time growing Puerto Rican black beans, I heard that they grow very well in Florida. And let me tell you, so there's one. Now that is blackberries, and there was a Puerto Rican black bean that grew and is taking over the blackberries. One black bean seed is creating all that. My moringa is loaded with seed pods. Should be able to, and there's another one down there loaded with seed pods. Should be able to harvest them soon. Every now and then I get to pick a papaya. Not getting as many papayas as I like, but this is Puerto Rican black beans. This is just a couple, maybe 4 or 5 plants. It is massive, and as you can see, it keeps going. I don't know what to do. I did not expect it to get this big. I just added another little trellis to help it out, but as you can see, it is overtaking my banana. That is a Musa banana. I don't know what to do. I don't want to have to stick a trellis out here in the yard, but I may have to, and it is loaded. I come out here about every other day and pick beans, and look at, not only is there a lot, but look at the size of the seed pod. You know what I mean? There are more beans in this one seed pod that I planted here altogether. See, there's one. Now that one's ready to pick. See how it's nice and brown? So this one I'll pick. There was another one in there. See the difference? The brown one I'll pick, and I'll go through there. There's another one, and I just picked some 2 days ago. It is loaded, so sorry for the lawnmower noise. My neighbors are getting their grass mowed. But it is massive. Puerto Rican black beans in the summer, not a single pest has bothered it, and it's been growing. I planted them about 2 months ago. Back up a little more so you can get the size of it. It's insane. It is insane. So I'm thinking next year, now that I know, I'm going to put a trellis all the way down the side, and other than the few trees I have in here, everything else will be coming out, and I'm going to try to grow a year's worth of black beans. Now that I see how prolific and wonderful they do here. So if you live in a very hot climate, Puerto Rican black beans. Now this is a mulberry. This, I don't know what it is, but it makes wonderful chop and drop. So I let it grow, and yes, you can see I am overrun with silver dollar. If anybody has any suggestion how to keep the silver dollar down, please let me know. I do not use any chemicals whatsoever. So if that is your suggestion, you can put it if you like, but I will not follow it. I do not use any chemicals whatsoever in my gardens. If it's something that gets eaten by pests, I just don't grow it. I do a lot of marigolds all around. Like over there, there's Vicks marigolds. I just don't. Anyways, this is a patio lime meant to grow in a pot on a patio, but I decided to put it out here and it loves it. And then back there I have beauty berries. And this is, I am new to growing beauty berries. Let me let this truck go by. This right here is my newest. It is a guava, and I planted it a little over a week ago. And we haven't had rain the past couple days, and I forgot about it. And it looks really bad. I'm worried about it. I don't know if it's just, I just gave it a huge drink. I'm hoping it's just lack of water and it comes back, because I just bought this. It is a Chinese guava. So if anybody has any advice on a Chinese guava, I will very much appreciate your time to share it. Hopefully I have not killed it. His sweet potatoes have taken over. This here was a weed that gone wild. I thought it was a plant, so it's gonna come out. But this here is a pomegranate. My pomegranate I grew from seed from a grocery store pomegranate. Look at that. I gotta get in here. Oh, it has thorns. Look at this sweet potato. Oh, something poked me in this pomegranate. Coreopsis loves it here, but I gotta get out here, otherwise the sweet potato is gonna strangle it. More papayas, olive tree. I forget the name of these. Anyways, I'm not gonna go through a full walkthrough. I mainly wanted to share my success with the Puerto Rican black beans. So if you are looking for a bean, if you like beans, and you live in a hot climate, it's Puerto Rican black beans. They really took off when we got into our rainy season. I was having to come out and water every other day, and it was doing fine, and that's why I had no idea it was gonna get like this. It was doing fine, and then we got into our rainy season where we started getting tons of rain every day, and it just took off. So if you can plant them, like if you have a rainy season, get them going before the rainy season, go for it. But let me tell you, make sure you have plenty of room for it to grow. And that's it. Look at all the beans. I just keep picking them, and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. And it has these beautiful little purple flowers. Brings in pollinators. There you go. There is my cherry tree, which had tons. Oh, I see a cherry. Oh my god. It's so hard to find the cherries because they're the same color as the leaves. See it right there? So by the time, it's only cherried like one or two here and there. So I haven't even bothered. I just let the birds have it. It's just one, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna give it a good trimming in a bit and see if that helps. So yeah, that's it for today. Just wanted to share, and I'm gonna have the same problem down there. I already know in my black beans, they're gonna smother my blackberries if I don't get them off of there. So yeah, if you can grow something, it's worth it. So have a wonderful day from Central Florida. Thanks for watching.